So now we're going to go over the contact section and just do a brief overview of what that looks like and do some navigating around into that section. So from the dashboard, we are going to go to the left-hand side of the screen where the menu is, and we're going to find contacts. We're going to click on contacts, and then this will bring you to the list of contacts that you have in your system. Normally, these will come up as for names of people that have maybe generated into your lead funnel. Their name will be listed under the name section. If they entered in a phone number, it will be listed under the phone number section. Email address will be listed under the email, the date that they created their information into your system, the last time that they entered into the system, and any tags that you have associated with that. Those will be the filters that will generate on the dashboard of the contact screen. So let's click on one of the names for example purposes. Let's start with Tanner Smith. Okay, once you click on Tanner Smith's name, you will see Tanner's information listed on the left-hand side here. So Tanner's name, first name, will be on the left-hand side here, his email address, if he entered one, his phone number. And from here, you can enter a date of birth, how he entered into your contact information, in your contact source, and your contact type. In the middle of the page, you'll see any conversations that have been had with Tanner via your text messages. If you have your WhatsApp connected as well too, you can also have information here from email. Email is not listed on here, and your text messages will be here if you have a WhatsApp connected, as well as email. All of those conversations that you've had with this particular client or person, they will be in the middle of your screen here. The right-hand side with the clock highlighted at the top will show any activity with this contact, any tasks that are assigned for this contact, any notes that you want to add by pressing the plus add button for this contact, and your appointment times as well too, that you can also add from this page as well too. Any documents that are sent or received for this contact, and any transactions that are made for this contact as well too. All of your contact's information will be stored under the contact account information.